Sorry to interrupt you for just a second, Vishnu, because more information has come in that this blast occurred in a medium-sized car in which a few other people were also present, and apparently, Shiv, this was at the rear end of the vehicle where that explosion has been reported, according to several eyewitnesses, some saying that it could have been Ariana number. However, no confirmation from the police on that as so far.
That's right. It's an I-20 apparently that has exploded.
Can you repeat that information?
Vishnu, we're just getting information from our colleagues on the ground with you that it was a Hyundai i20 car that exploded. The explosion happened in an i20 car. As Padmaja said, it had people in that car, and that explosion happened when the car was slowing down near a red light right outside the metro station. There are more ministers reaching the spot where you are right now.
Yeah, I'm right
more
next to
details
that
coming
red
in.
light.
Yes, Vishnu.
Yeah. That's right. So this is the red light. It is just behind me that you can see. The point that Shiv was mentioning just now is that this was an I-20 vehicle. There were people in that vehicle, is what we are learning when the explosion took place.
Yes, there were people. In fact, I shouldn't go to the extent of describing the location. We've received multiple videos of mangled dead bodies and people with grievous injuries. The extent of the damage cannot be potentially by a CNG or LPG of that extent, but we will wait for the official confirmation. Just for the viewers, where Vishnu and I are standing right now is next to the blast site. In fact, apart from the the blast that has taken place, there's a bullet that has been recovered also from very close to where we are standing right now. So apart from the Delhi Police Special Cell, the crime branch and specialized units of the NSG, there are at least 6 to 7 agencies that are probing this. They're trying to decipher the nature of the blast, whether it was an explosive material, whether it was an LPG cylinder or a CNG cylinder. Perhaps in the next couple of hours, we'll have clarity on what really happened here.
And I think the important point that Adit mentioned is that there is a bullet as well which has been recovered over here. We don't know where that bullet is from, whether it's come from that I-20 vehicle which exploded or it was elsewhere. Do we have any more information on that bullet?
Not really as of now. It could be a bullet, because remember, when the blast took place, the Delhi police rushed here in hundreds in many ways. The emergency vehicles rushed in hundreds. So possibly somebody could have dropped it, etc. But as of now, as we said, no terror angle is being described. But Prime Minister has been briefed, the Home Minister has been briefed, and the level of high alert that has been declared, not just in Delhi NCR, but in Mumbai, in UP, in Rajasthan, in Jammu and Kashmir, and on all borders, clearly indicates that there is much more than meets the eye.